Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydren. South African artist lauds Jamaica and Jamaican talent. Speaking recently with BBC One Extra, the Jump singer shared that her trip to Jamaica inspired her to make more music, which also saw the birth of her collaboration with Skitty Bang.
Jump originally was just myself. It was literally just me, and then I just felt like it needed a rapper. Like I wanted someone to graph it up.
Oh, nice. Say that again.
To graph it up.
I love it.
But for real, and Ghana and I have also been speaking about collaboration. Then went to Jamaica.
How was that?
Guys, Jamaica's so beautiful. It was my first time there, and I was making more music, and then we were listening back to Jump, and I was like, hey, like these vibes, like we need like a Jamaican vibe on this one, and we hit up Skilly Bang, came back with something that I couldn't not add, like original girl, they want a replica.
Babe,
no.
babe.
Like
Pretty Pon the Cellular. I said, what?
Rapper Ye accused of discrimination and harassment. Phillips is seeking a jury trial and a minimum $35,000 in damages. Now, a judge rules that former Marvel actor Jonathan Majors' conviction on assault and harassment charges will stand. In December, a New York jury found Majors guilty of one count of reckless assault in the third degree and a non-criminal charge of harassment as a violation. He was acquitted on another assault charge and one count of aggravated harassment. Major's attorney filed a motion in February asking the judge to set aside the verdict and acquit him of the charges. In a subsequent filing, prosecutors urged the judge to deny Major's motion. A copy of the decision was obtained by CNN Wednesday and revealed that the judge denied the defense motion Monday. In a statement provided to CNN, Major's attorney said he feels disappointed by the outcome of the motion, yet he upholds respect for the process. The statement added that he continues to draw strength from his friends, his family, and his fans, as well as his dogs, harnessing his art and creativity as he eagerly anticipates closing this chapter and looks forward to redirecting his time and energy fully to his family and his art. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydren. Thank you for watching.